This is our Mac Daddy floor plan right here.
This is the 2022 Georgetown 36K7.
Batteries. Oh, isn't that nice? Batteries are easy to get to location.
Yes, they are. Look at that. We have this bay, but this bay is extra large. And for some reason, it looks like they put something here so you can run a power cord outside without leaving the door. Lots of things can go in here.
I like that feature.
Another bay, they go all the way through. Another one.
Ow. Slide out to the head.
That's your water tank. And finally, another pass-through store. These bays are quite large.
They're very large bays.
I also like that they have this nice waterproof material in here, in all of them. You could drag things across that and not damage it. Can we go to the far side? Can you see anything?
So one piece, glider in the back.
I love that, as Matt would say.
It's rated for 250 pounds.
I better stop eating French fries.
You just had those last night.
I know I did.
All right, I don't think we're going to fit through here on this side, John. We could do the web bay.
That is a nice web bay.
Let's see. Oh yeah, it's very neat and clean. Now this one has the Cummins generator. Just in case anybody was curious.
Oh, let's see.
Yeah, this one has the Cummins.
Cummins Onan.
What size?
It is a 7,000.
7,000.
That is powerful.
Yes. Let's take a look at the interior. Once again,
a bunch of people.
It's a busy day at the show.
Very busy day. We might have to wait a minute.
Hello. Another cool thing about the Georgetowns and all the 7 series, they have room for a full stackable washer and dryer. This one has one in it. A lot of times
this is nice.
We'll just take you for a walk to the back, and then we'll turn around so you can see what it's like.
Oh, this is nice, huh?
We're going to do this reverse, right? Because there are a lot of people. So we'll start with this rear bath and work our way forward.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, go ahead.
Look at this. Look at that.
Ooh, I just want to turn it on and test it out.
This is so nice. I like
feel
this. Yes, it's nice and smooth. Plenty of storage. Another one, in case you don't have enough medicines.
And I like the lips here to help keep your stuff.
That's priceless.
From moving around, yeah.
Nice little window here, if you like windows in your bathroom.
They love putting windows over toilets in RV bathrooms.
Now, the only problem is I have to go out so you can see the shower.
Why don't you get in the shower?
Oh, goodbye.
Bye. I've been meaning to ask you to do that for a while now.
You know, that's not right. Stop telling people that. Hey, this is about the same size as ours.
Oops.
Yeah, the door. We're on a lean.
We are on a lean.
And look.
Ooh, that is very high.
Just like ours, it's very big. And the shower head here moves up and down. You can move it up so it's up high.
It's just like ours.
Yeah, we can do that too.
But I mean, it's just like ours. It's like the same.
It is. It has a 3-piece door here that slides.
Yep.
And it's the same shape and has a seat. So it is just like ours. Oh, check out the vanity lamp. That's pretty.
I do like that. Thanks, John, for pointing that out. I'll meet you on the other side.
Okay, bye.
Okay, as we walk through, we're heading into the bedroom now.
And here looks like a wardrobe. No!
Oh, it's a washer and dryer. Not a combo, but an actual washer and dryer.
Isn't that unusual that it's not vented? They're usually vented. They're all like that. They all have louvered doors. This one does not.
I don't know. I'll have to ask the rep about that.
Maybe it takes in air down here. No? No, that's closed.
We'll have to ask the rep if we can catch him again.
They have little...
Oh, I like that. A little cubby.
A little cubby under your end table space.
That is nice.
A place to charge your devices here. That's nice.
John, there are 2 cubbies.
Yes.
There's one on the side. No, and then there's one down below as well.
Oh my gosh, yes. There is. Same here. That is a nice feature, using all your space effectively. That is so great.
Television right across from the bed.
Yeah, huge. I
gotta reach up to get this.
Look at these drawers. How much are you going to bring on a trip?
Well,
a full timer. Yes.
you know, you can bring quite a lot. And
I know.
in this one, you can definitely fit it. Now, what's
And
going on there?
somebody took this down. It's fine. It's not broken. It has.
Oh, they
clips.
just took it off. So
Yeah,
you
they
can see
took
it. It's
it
like a
off.
breaker box or something?
Yes, that is
Okay.
the breaker box.
So they probably took it off to be
And
able to
it
see
just it snaps back in. And I'm getting it wrong. That's what probably happened. They gave up because they couldn't figure. There, I figured it out.
it. So smart.
I know, I am. There's the closet.
Very nice size closet. Look
That
at
is very
that.
nice. Oh, there's a light in there.
And there's a.
2 large drawers underneath. So this is nice. There's plenty of storage here.
And I guess
and-
you need it because you've got bunk beds, so you're traveling with more than just yourselves, right? So
Oh, that's right. You do have the bunk
let's see if
beds
there's extra storage out
with
here.
the doors here.
So there's one. Hang on.
This can double as a closet too. That's beautiful, actually. Look
That's
at
very
that.
sleek because we saw one earlier this week where
Yeah.
the bunk bed looked like a closet.
Yeah. This is a full bath.
Oh, so another full bath. Look at this. And this is a good size shower as well. You want to hop in?
Sure. Step up. I'm sorry, with my backpack. And yes.
Yes, lots of room.
Lots of room in
Another
here.
window,
For younger people, there's no seat.
which actually opens. I don't think ours opens.
No,
Does it?
ours.
Yes, yeah, it does. It does.
I think our bathroom window does.
Now, is this porcelain?
It looks like it.
Because Matt always taught us to check for porcelain.
Yep.
Okay, great.
And we have lots of room here. 4 of these drawers. Oh, soft clothes.
Soft close. Let's see that. Yes, very nice.
Plenty of space in there.
Nice lights, just like in the other one.
And that faucet
And the
is great.
same fixtures. Yep.
Oh my gosh, I like
It's
that.
very nice. Okay, let's
And-
back it up.
All right, now we're in the living
So,
area.
I have a feeling there's something special about these recliners. Do you want to sit in it?
Sure.
Of course, sit in the one I'm not pointing to.
Of course I do that. That's me. I don't know what this is.
Now you get to push the buttons, John. Let's see if you can push the right buttons.
Yes. That's nice.
That's a nice power recliner. Now, wait a minute, John. There are other buttons there. Why don't you test them out and tell them what they do?
That's heat.
So is your butt nice and toasty?
Not yet.
Okay.
Ooh.
Don't tell me that's a massage, too.
Yes.
I'm so jealous.
It's a massage chair.
I'm moving on. So there's lots of storage up above John. I'm going to ignore him as he gets his massage and his toasty buns. So there are three cabinets there.
And a window that opens.
And a window that opens. And right across from the
Oh, you can go.
recliners is a television. Oh, you can go ahead. If you don't mind being on YouTube, you can wave. And then down below is the fireplace. So this is very similar to what we have. Although I think they probably have a higher quality sound bar than what we have. And it's Bluetooth.
And this is a little nicer and a little deeper.
Very good. And then I like this fridge is huge, but you know what, John? This sleeps a lot of people, so I
It
guess you
does.
would need to have a large fridge,
You
right?
probably would, yes.
Yes.
You probably want something this big.
So this is a residential refrigerator here,
Very nice.
and
Of course, the deep freezer.
it's very similar to ours except bigger.
Now we're in the kitchen.
In the kitchen area. This looks like it is a regular, it's a convection so you get both a convection microwave and an oven in this unit.
And a 3-burner propane stove.
Nice.
That's a nice texture.
That's a
I mean,
very nice texture. The way
feels
it
good.
looks is exactly how it feels.
It feels very, very good there to the hands there.
Nice deep double sink, very similar to ours. So if you guys are looking at the bounder, or you're looking at one of the bounders with bunks, I think this would be something else that you might want to see as well. Because it's very similar to the floor plan if you like this floor plan.
We have a nice extension for the countertop.
Ooh, that gives you a lot of space.
It
I like that.
Gives you a lot of counter space.
A lot of times they're really small and useless, but that one's a good size.
It is.
This is the dinette here. And it looks like this drops down and this makes another bed.
It does.
And in addition to that, you also have the overhead bunk up here as well. Now this looks like it's manual.
A manual. Yes. The what? This one?
Yeah, no, it's not. It's not manual.
Let's
If you open
see.
up that top there, it's
Yeah,
not.
it's not.
It's a Euro lift.
Yes. And this uses precision plates as well. Look at that.
John, look at how deep this is. And here's something else that's kind of unique. Not only is it deep and can you access it from that way, but you can access it from the other side as well.
That's great.
Now that's pretty cool. I like that because I just like it.
It's nice. It's great.
I haven't seen that on any other model anywhere. Have you?
No, nowhere. And look at, they have a low doghouse in this one.
So let me get the console here. It's on a, what's the chassis, John?
This would be a V8, the Godzilla engine, a 7.3 liter.
Okay.
This is a gas.
You want to sit in the seat and tell me if it's comfortable? I just leaned against this seat and it just went all the way forward.
Sherry broke it already, people.
So I don't know. Did I break it or?
Let's see.
Is it?
I think somebody might have,
So the seat's broken already?
maybe. Oh, here's the switch. Nope, I found it. The switch was just stuck.
Okay.
But, yeah.
Question,
Are
I
these
see a
adjustable?
roller on this. Are they
Oh,
adjustable?
I think they are. Wait a minute. Yeah.
They're
You turn
adjustable.
it this way and they go up higher.
That
there we
is
go.
fantastic.
Now it's even and much more comfortable that way.
Is it a comfortable seat?
It is.
Don't go to sleep again. Okay, you already got the massage and the toasty buns now.
They
It's not
put the
fair.
Sony here where you could see it, so you can do your CarPlay or your rear view camera. It looks like that's your only screen though. Yeah, this one only has the one.
Let me push. So this one folds over. Not too crazy about it. Seems a little flimsy.
It does.
I don't know how much you could actually do on it. It's much smaller than the other ones we've seen. And you've got
Does
this
it
little
have
pocket here.
charging stations anywhere?
On the inside here,
Yeah.
I don't see one in here.
So it's just the outlet underneath.
There's an outlet, 2 outlets underneath over there, and there's a USB here.
Some of the features we've introduced to the new Georgetowns this year is that we've got a 115 watt solar panel, standard equipment on every single Georgetown. This is going to help be a supplement energy source for your batteries. It's going to help keep your battery levels at a high level. Another thing we've introduced is the WineGuard 360 Plus system. It incorporates your radio, your TV antenna, it has a Wi-Fi booster included. Some of the staples in the Georgetown that's been there for years is we have a fiberglass roof versus a TPO or rubber, so it's going to hold up the test of time better. We've got 30-inch wide entry doors, or the widest entry doors in the industry, so the ease of getting in and out of your Georgetown is very, very simple. Flush floor construction with no carpeting in the Georgetowns. Our owners don't like carpet, so we don't like carpet.
Nobody likes carpet anymore.
Exactly, but you know, there's still guys out there putting carpet in them regardless, and so we don't do that. Another thing that everyone embraces is our power theater seating. We've got it almost in every single Georgetown standard equipment. We've got it optional in a couple other floor plans, but our owners have really embraced that.
Anything else you'd like to tell us about?
Again, Georgetown, we've been a top-selling brand for over 2 decades. We got a lot of brand recognition, and the main reason I think that is we listen to our retail owners, take their feedback, and put it into our product development. And some of those things you just heard are part of that.
We've gone through the coach to look at the fit and finish, and we didn't see anything that really stood out as poor quality, but what we did notice is that the cabinetry that they use, the furniture that they use, doesn't seem like it's the best quality. I don't know. How would you put it, John?
The exterior surfaces look great. It's just, I guess it doesn't matter because you're not going to see the backs of these things too much.
Well, I just mean like how the drawers close,
Well,
open,
yeah,
close. And look at how wobbly that is. And I'm not putting a lot of force behind it. And then, you know, even with this seat here, it just seems like it's in, I don't know. Ours is definitely a lot more sturdy. So what's your pet peeve?
Oh, that's right. I have the pet peeve. Well, I don't really like the driver's area that much. It has a single screen, and the doghouse is very unattractive.
My favorite feature, even though I don't like how the recliner's made, it seems a little bit flimsy, but I do like the fact that I can get a massage and toasty buns while watching TV or sitting in front of the fireplace. So that brings us to the build quality. I think for this one, I'm probably going to give it a 7.5 out of 10.
Maybe an 8.
An 8?
Let's give it an 8.
Okay, John says we should give it an 8. That's it for this one. Now on to the next.